So now we will talk about the batch jobs. What is batch jobs and what are all advantages of batch job? Okay. First of all, we must understand batch. What is batch? When you say batch, it is a group of people. Okay. So that is called a batch, or maybe you said you are studied in this college and our batch. When you say our batch means in your class or in your that year, particularly year, all the students we call this a batch. Correct. Similarly, when you say here batch in the system, it is a group of transactions or particular transactions and which will be running in one frequency. So when you say, for example, you want to post some transaction after each 10 minutes or 20 minutes. So what you can do, you can create a batch which will run a posting job automatically after 10 minutes. So when you want to automate something or you want to do the same thing again and again automatically, that time we create a batch jobs. Okay. Now there could be, for example, you want to send an email after every 15 minutes. You want to send an email to particular vendor or customer. So as soon as a purchase department created 10-20 POs, so you want to send all these 10-20 POs to the vendors, and you want to automate. So what will system will check? You created a batch job which will send the POs to the respective vendor. So every 15 minutes it will check is there any PO pending. If it is there, it will send. Again after 15 minutes come back to that batch job. It will check whether any system is there, PO is pending. If it is there, it will send. So automation will be done by the batch jobs. For what transaction is there are thousands of transactions can be converted into these batch jobs.
Okay.
This is the concept. The concept is clear now.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, in case of particularly purchase order, for example, in purchase order, we create a PO and that PO you save it into the print archive. Print archive is a feature where you can save your POs. You will not print all POs because generally nowadays no one prints the PO. It will directly send to the email. Okay, and in one organization, for example, there are thousands PO has been generated every day, 1,000. What you will do? You have to send all 1,000 PO means it's very difficult. You are not going to send. So whenever you create the PO, you will save this to the print archive, and you will create a batch job for sending the PO from print archive to vendor automatically after each 1 hour or maybe 2 hours. So that system will find the PO available in print archive. If it is there, it will pull that or fetch that PO and send to the vendor and mark that okay it is sent, and it will remove from the list. So that batch jobs can be created in case of purchase or PO. Similarly, in inventory also we can create batch jobs where system will run the inventory valuation or revaluation after some time if you want to do, or inventory there may be inventory report generation, maybe you want to automate. So every month or every 10 days or every week you want to generate one report and it will send to the management automatically. You will create a batch job which will run the report and it will send to the particular email ID, or it will generate the report and store into particular location automatically. So batch job will fetch that report, create that report and put it into particular location. And then another batch job which will sending an email which will pull that report and send to the management. So this type of activity can be automated by the batch jobs. Okay.
Right.
We
And
will
we
see
can also
actually.
do that ourselves.
Yeah, we can create our batch jobs.
Okay.
This is about batch jobs. We will see actually when we starting the this thing will start.